to eat healthy food is important.
Top 5 foods that combat stress. Nothing can ever replace the damage caused by stress to your body. Busy schedules, work deadlines, and other environmental factors promote stress and reduce the natural defenses of the body. Fortunately, there is a lot you can do to combat stress. Healthy eating has a positive effect on reducing stress naturally and effectively. Here are the top foods that combat stress. Blueberries. Blueberries are a proven stress buster. It is crammed with antioxidants that revive and rejuvenate damaged cells in the body and relieve stress. It neutralizes free radicals in the body and prevents cell damage. It also improves the body's response to fight stress and anxiety. Besides, blueberries also improve immunity, which again, plays a vital role in reducing stress. Dark chocolate. This could be the ultimate delight for chocolate lovers. Not all chocolates have the power to combat stress effectively, but dark chocolate which has a relaxing effect on your body. Studies reveal that consumption of dark chocolate shows a reduction in cortisol, the stress hormone, thereby relieving stress. The cocoa has a high amount of antioxidant that lowers the blood pressure and relaxes the blood vessels. For a calming effect, go for chocolates that have over 70% cocoa, say experts. Avocados. If you are not trying to lose weight, avocados may prove to be beneficial for combating stress. The creamy fruit contains glutathione that blocks the absorption of fats responsible for the oxidative damage. The fruit also increases satiety and you feel more satisfied. This reduces stress and promotes better health. Since it is high in fats, consider limiting your intake by adding just half an avocado to your lunch. Cashews. Nuts have always been a great snack, but cashews have an added advantage. The crunchy nut is packed with proteins and omega-3s that reduce cravings and make you feel full. They are rich in zinc that helps in preventing stress. Zinc deficiency is one of the major causes of stress and anxiety. So, replenishing your zinc stores may help in preventing stress altogether. Having a few every day may seem beneficial for anyone. Besides, they can also be a great snack for those trying to lose weight due to its high protein content. Salmon. Eating salmon has many health benefits, the major being stress relief. The fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Studies show that it helps in reducing the stress hormone cortisol as well as adrenaline and induces a calming effect. People who consume salmon regularly have shown a reduced level of stress as compared to those who do not. In addition to it, salmon is also a great food for your heart.
Thank you for watching.